Welcome to Reboot Robotics Academy. Myself Subho. Today I'll discuss about the 1 to 3D designing software. This is used for the 3D designing. So you are using Autodesk 1 to 3D design software for 3D designing. When you click this logo, this is the official logo of Autodesk 1 to 3D design. Then this page will open, and there you will see there is written start a new page. You have to click on that. Please pin that left click. So this is our this is our main page for designing any component or designing any object. So you can see there is one graph page, and right side top there is one cube. This cube is called view cube. This cube is called view cube. By this cube you can change the angular position of this graph page. Now in mouse, if you click on the right click and hold it and change the position of graph page, you can change it easily for viewing our object in any angle. Okay. Now if you want to make this one at its own position, so you have to click the home button on the view cube. So it is become at its original position. So today we'll do today we'll make one cube, normal cube, by the help of these tools. So first you have to go to primitives. The first option, this box is called primitives. So go to primitives. Go to primitives. This is the primitives option. Then box. Just click on the box. So our cube will come here. So this cube have three sides: length, width, and height. Now if you want to change the dimension of length, you can see there is one blue box written in the 20 and there is one cursor. So just change the length to 30 millimeter. This box in millimeter format. So this length will come in millimeter. Now I have to change. I already changed that length dimension 20 to 30. Now I want to change that width position, width dimension. So I have to I have to press the tab button to shift from length to width. Then again I have to change the height. So I have to press the tab button again. Then I change the height. Then press enter. So this is our cube. This is the x side of this cube. This is the y side of the cube, and this upper position is called z side. So 3D means three dimension. So these have x, y, and z, three dimension. Now, if you want to shift that cube in any position of this graph page, so just click on that, left click, hold it, and drag the mouse. So you can easily move the cube on that graph page. Now, if you want to check the dimension, just click on that left click. Just left click on that cube. Then there is one option called Smart Scale. Just click on it. You can easily check the dimension. So if you want to change the cube dimension, just click on this 30, change it 40, then press enter. So this dimension will change. If you want to change this dimension also, then change it 30 to 40, 30 to 40. Then press enter. Now you have to click on that green arrow. Now you can see this is our cube, and I'm showing you from the bottom side. You can see some of this portion of that cube is coming to this downside. So you have to lift lift it up that cube. For that, just click on that cube, go to move option, click on the upper arrow and hold it upwards. So it will move upwards. So I'm giving height here 5 because so I'm changing the dimension to upwards to 5. Now I'm clicking the home option. Now see, when I make that first cube, the dimension is 30, height, width also 30 and length also 30. But I change the dimension to 30 to 40. When I change the dimension, this cube changes height 10 millimeter, means upside 5 mm and lower side of this graph page 5 mm. So you have to lift it up 5 to 5 mm. So this is our basic cube. Then I'm clicking on the home button again. So this is our x dimension, this is our y dimension, and this is our z dimension. Now you can draw the sphere also. Just go to PV tips, then click on the sphere. Our sphere will come. Now I'm changing the dimension of the sphere. And you can change the color of this cube and the sphere also. Just click on the sphere, then there will be one option. Go to material, click on the material and change its color. Now you can see color of that sphere will change. Now I'm changing the color of that cube. Click on the cube, then click on the material, then change the color. Now you can see there is one outline in that cube. If you want to remove that outline, just select that cube and there is an option. In the right side there is the option. There is written materials and outlines. If you click on the materials and outline, so it will show us the material as well as the outline. If you click on that only materials, so it will not show us the outlines. And if you click on the outlines only, it will show us the outline, not the material. So you have to select the materials and outlines. So it will show us the total part. Now there is a graph. If you want to remove that graph, you can remove easily. So see there is one option called grid and visibility. Just click on it, it will remove that graph page. Now you can see it is looking like this cube and that sphere is floating on that air. So again, I'm clicking on the visibility. So our graph page will come. And this is our view cube. By this cube, you can change the angular position from where you are viewing. From where you are viewing. Home means it will come as original position. Now, if you want to change the angular motion of this view, just click on it and there is one move option. Click on the move. You can see there is 3 arrow. If you click on the upper arrow, it will move upwards. If you click the right arrow, it will go right side or left side. When it is moving right side, it will not show us the minus dimension. But if it is moving on the left side, it will show us the minus dimension. Like that, if you click on the upper arrow, it will not show us the minus dimension. But if you drag it to down, then it will show us the minus. Same for this arrow also. forward and backward, it will show as a minus and positive. Now see again, in front of that arrow, there is one round option, round dot, that is called snap. That will call snap. If you click the snap, so you can change the angular motion of that cube. Angular motion of that cube. I'm changing the angular position from left to side. For that, I'm clicking the snap option of that upper side. If you want to change the right, left and right position, so you have to click on the snap button in the right side and hold it and check it. Change the dimension. Okay. So, or if you want to draw anything, just go to sketch. There is the option. All the thing for sketching. So click on the sketch, circular sketch. Click here. You can draw any circle of any dimension, or you can draw by your own. Just go to sketch and go to polyline. You can draw any kind of shape, any kind of shape you can draw by the sketch tool, sketch polyline tool. This is for all today. Thank you.